Hey, this is Harold from Giant Loop, and we're here at the Vancouver, British Columbia Motorcycle Show. It's been a busy day here. We've got Fred and Orsi from Dirt Racks helping us out, and also lending us this really sweet Africa twin that's all set up with their engine guards and luggage racks. So that's dirtracks.com. They're also the Langley Moto Shop here in British Columbia. So let's take a quick look at our display setup. We've got the Possibles pouch, 3.5 liters, waterproof storage, straps right on to the engine guards. Works on a variety of bikes, engine guards, straps right on with the included webbing straps. We've got the Fandango Tank Bag, big Columbia dry bag, our double ender that has its own integrated strapping system. So you just attach these girth hitch straps to 4 solid anchor points, and that's all it takes to strap the bag on. You don't need additional straps. You can get in and out of it from either end. Has an air purge valve to squeeze the air out when you roll it up. It includes a couple of backpack style shoulder straps as well. We've got our clammed tail rack pack on here. Clamshell design, quick and easy access. It's like having a tank bag on the back of the bike. Mesh pocket under the lid, a divider, a couple different options for mounting, and a waterproof inner liner bag included with that. It's the clammed tail rack pack. And then of course we have our Mototrek panniers here. These are our 21 liter panniers, 21 liters each side for a total of 42 liters of packable volume, 100% waterproof. They have their own integrated anchor system. So these straps are compressing the bag tight to the rack and putting tension on these hooks. So no mounts or hardware required. Those strap right onto a variety of side luggage rack systems with like a hoop style design. That's a quick overview here of our Honda Africa twin on display at the Vancouver Motorcycle Show. We're in booth 132. Come on by and check out our original pioneering horseshoe-shaped saddlebag designs and the rest of our adventure-proof packing systems. Go light, go fast, go far. We'll see you at the show.